Hello dear students, my name is PRATIM. I am a final year student of IPGM at Kolkata. Okay, today we will be starting on the mnemonics of the floral formula and inferences. Mainly we will discuss on the floral formula. Okay, these things I have seen that many students are confused and they cannot remember in the exam. Okay, so I will try to simplify it and with the mnemonics so that you can better understand and retain it to the exam. Okay. So there are three types of family of the floral flowering plants. One is Fabaceae, two is Solanaceae, and three is Liliaceae. Okay? Three things you have to remember: Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and Liliaceae. Okay? Three types of flowers are bisexual. So this sign is represent the bisexuality of the three family of the flowers. Okay? So the mnemonics is the FSL, F for football, super league, football super league, FSL. So you have to arrange this with 1, 2 and 3. So first one is F for Fabaceae, second one is, this order is very important because in this order we can build up the mnemonics. Okay, so the order you have to remember: one is Fabaceae, two is Solanaceae, and third one is Liliaceae. Okay, so in the first one we can see this sign is what? Zygo or actinomorphic. This one is zygomorphic. So bilaterally symmetrical, zygomorphic. Both sides are symmetrical, and this sign is actinomorphic. So it is radially symmetrical. So 2 and 3 are radially symmetrical flowers, and first one is zygomorphic, bilaterally symmetrical. Okay. So in every case we can see that the ovary is superior or inferior. The ovary is superior. The ovary is superior. So this will be what will be called hypogyny, perigyny, or epigyny. So thalamus is inferior. Here thalamus is inferior. In three cases, every cases thalamus is inferior. So this will be called as hypo or epi. This is known as hypogyny. So I told you earlier in the earlier session that the naming will be based upon on the thalamus. Here thalamus is inferior, so the naming will be hypogyny. But ovary is superior in every three cases. So one is Fabaceae, so there is one ovary. In two Solanaceae, there will be two ovary, and the three Liliaceae, there will be three ovary. Very simple. Okay, one for say Fabaceae, one ovary, two ovary, and three ovary. Okay. Now come to the Fabaceae part. Here the serial number will be 1. So here you can see that in every case in the corolla and the androecium there will be 1. 1 will be present in corolla and androecium. So in that case, in the option, if you see that 1 in calyx and corolla, then you straightforward mark Fabaceae group. Okay, you straightforward mark Fabaceae. This is a clue. In the second clue, in the second serial number, there will be what letter? 5 letters. Solan, AC. AC is common in three families. So here is 5 letters, SOLAN. So 5 will be found in the calyx, corolla and androecium part. Very simple. There is 5, here is 5, here is also 5. So in the option you can, if you see the 5 letter in the 5 number in calyx, corolla and androecium, then you straight mark Solanaceae. Okay, this straight mark Solanaceae. You will save many seconds in the exam. Okay, this will be crucial for physics, chemistry and other parts. Here there you can solve many questions if you save the time. Okay, and third one is Liliaceae. Here one thing is special, there in the Liliaceae part you can see the perianth. You can see the perianth. Okay, you can see the perianth. So perianth is nothing but the calyx and corolla fused, but calyx and corolla is known as perianth. If it is attached together, calyx and corolla, then it will be called perianth. Okay, so the third serial number, here the third serial number, and there will be 3. There will be 3. There will be all will be 3. So first we can remember Fabaceae, second Solanaceae, the 3 Liliaceae. The serial number will be important to grasp the memory. Okay. One thing, it is actinomorphic. It is also known as bracteate flower. Bracteate flower. Okay, bracteate flower is nothing but the modified leaf at the base of the pedicle. Okay, it is associated with the reproductive structure flower. Okay, this is known as Liliaceae. Okay, so I told you earlier the first serial number will be important. F is first serial number of the formula. So F is first, second is S for Solanaceae, F for Fabaceae, and L for Liliaceae. Okay, the Fabaceae, in the Fabaceae group of flowers, the leguminous plants are important. The leguminous plants is pea, second one is bean, and third one is soybean. Okay, third one is soybean. The estivation found in the corolla. Okay, so estivation found in the corolla, this is the corolla, this is the corolla. The estivation found in the corolla is vexillary estivation. I will tell you the estivation in the next video. Okay, what is the mnemonics of the estivation, and in the calyx part the estivation found is what? Valvate estivation. Okay, in the vexillary estivation one thing is very special, that is keel. What this is keel. Keel is present in the vexillary estivation, and in the calyx there will be valvate estivation of the Fabaceae group. Okay, so you have to remember that leguminous plants are in the group of Fabaceae, and there is keel present in the corolla, and calyx, in the calyx a valvate estivation is present. Okay, I will tell you the mnemonics of the estivation, you can easily remember it. Okay, so the serial numbering is important. So one serial number is Fabaceae, so there will be will be unilocular. Uni means one, and unicarpellary. Very simple. Unilocular and unicarpellary, and the racemose is the inflorescence. You can see the racemose is the inflorescence of the Fabaceae, and rest two are the cymose inflorescence. Okay, the cymose inflorescence. Okay, economic importance of the Fabaceae group: the pulses, the like moong dal, and the sun hemp is a very good quality fiber. Indigofera is a dye, and Sesbania trifolium is a food. Okay, food. Okay, this thing you have to remember. And the next string is second serial number. Second serial number we have found that Solanaceae group. Okay, Solanaceae is 5 letter, SOLAN, Solanaceae. So there will be, everything will be 5. Everything will be 5. Okay, you can tick the correct answer within a second if you know the mnemonics. Okay, if you know the mnemonics, you can correct it within a second. So the mnemonics will be PCT. Proximal convoluted tubule you have found in the kidney. ठीक है, proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, the P for petunia, it is used as ornamental. Okay, many flowers are used as ornamental in the wedding season. Okay, you have known that. So P means potato and petunia. P means potato and petunia. C means chili. Okay, and T means tomato and tobacco. So PCT is the mnemonic, and extra you can add B. PCT. B is the whole mnemonic. B for brinjal and B for belladonna. Belladonna is also used previously as a medicine. Okay, from the belladonna medicines are extracted. Okay, and the serial number is the B. So the ovary will be bilocular and bicarpellary. Simple. So along the serial number you can found and build up the mnemonic. And this is cymose inflorescence. I have told you earlier that the first one is racemose and rest two are the cymose inflorescence. Okay, and the third part is liliaceae. So in the liliaceae the special character is perianth. The calyx or corolla attached together. So perianth is present. Okay, first is perianth is present, and the second one is the valvate present estivation is found in the Liliaceae family. The valvate estivation is found in the Liliaceae family. You have to remember this. And this is trilocular because the serial number is third. So this is trilocular and this is tricarpellary. Okay. In the example, we can build up the mnemonic that the TCA. Okay. Tricarboxylic acid cycle. So the Krebs cycle. Okay. TCA. Very simple. Tulip is the ornamental. Second is colchicum. Okay. Second one is colchicum. From the colchicum we have found the colchicine. It is a very good drug for the acute gout. There will be two types of gouty arthritis. Okay, one is acute gout and second one is chronic gout. Colchicine is used in the acute gout because the sodium crystals are deposited in the joint space. It will trigger the inflammation. When the inflammation is triggered, the neutrophil from the blood goes to the joint and the inflammation sets in and the pain starts and the redness starts. So if you block the inflammatory substance to the joint, so you can reduce the inflammation. So the main aim of the colchicine drug is it prevents the neutrophil migration. Okay, it prevents the neutrophil migration. So it will prevent the neutrophil migration and it will reduce the inflammation. So very characteristically, it is told that the colchicine drug drunk in the neutrophils. it will drunken the neutrophils. So if the neutrophils are drunk, so it cannot function properly. Okay, so the inflammation does not set in. Okay, so the third example is A for asparagus. A for asparagus. So the complete mnemonic is TCA. I have told you that T for tulip. So you have known the mnemonics. BMC pot means hypogyny. So I have told you these mnemonics. You can see that BMC pot means hypogyny, the mnemonics. So there is the tulip. So tulip is also the example of hypogyny. Here you can say that this is the hypogyny. So thalamus is inferior. I told you that the naming will be dependent upon the thalamus, and as the ovary is superior, so it is also known as superior ovary. But the main naming will be dependent upon the thalamus. So it is all three are example of hypogyny. So I told you once more time, the F for first, second is S, L for third. If you don't remember FSL, you can remember by the naming of FSL, Football Super League. Okay. Thank you guys. Please like, share and support us. You can share with the video with your friends. It will definitely help you in the final exam. Okay. Thank you guys. Stay with us. See you in the next video.